Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and unique look. All of you are seeing very beautiful patterns of hand embroidered tops, hand embroidered shirts, hand embroidered formal skirts or tops. But the beauty and creativity of these is that these hand embroidered Western style dresses could also be equally designed for your ethnic wear, for your Eastern wear, along with the very beautiful mapping of these designs onto your shirts, kurti, and kameez. So stay tuned with us so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, and beautiful ideas. But before going into the further details, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And one more thing, guys, we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose, motive, and the reason behind making videos and sharing design ideas of hand embroidery and a vast collection of handwork with you is to share creativity among the ones who are the lovers or likers of hand embroidery, handwork, and threadwork and hand art. So, now let's move back towards our main concern. All of you could see that different stylized patterns along with the light color, bright color, and along with lightly self-printed, light printed fabric base are being shared with you, are being shown to you in order to enhance or beautify the idea of hand embroidery designs. So these embroidery patterns are not only limited to plain fabric base, they can also be embroidered onto some denim fabric like you are seeing in order to get more formal. Some collar embroidery in the format of U-shaped and traditional stripe collars have been shown. And do try this pattern and you can make these very beautiful hand embroidered shirts, tops along with your bottoms, along with your pants, along with your capri, along with your palazzo and many more other things like this. So I hope that you are liking the design ideas of today. The creativity is unique in itself and it contains very beautiful stylized patterns as well. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end. And one more thing, guys, keep supporting us, keep loving us as you always have been. But I am noticing that from the last few days, your love, your support, your watching my video has been tremendously declined, which is, I guess, a lack of support from your side. So keep motivating us and keep loving us by watching our content and subscribing to our channel from as many as other devices possible. Thank you so much.